Let me first of all congratulate SkyElectric team for the establishment and commissioning of this solar panels in the Institute campus. We are in a process of clean and green campus and also touching the SDGs, especially the 7 affordable clean energy, and also linked with our curriculum.
We were very excited to work with GIKI on installing a 1 megawatt solar plant here. They needed to reduce their bills, go to clean energy, but they were having challenges due to the import environment in the country to procure the panels, and they wanted to work with a company that had the ability to do that, and not just the ability to bring the panels in, but to execute on the project and make it live and operational. And by the grace of God, we have done that, and the team has executed flawlessly and perfectly in record time, and the quality is here for all to see.
इससे एक तो कार्बन फ्री एनवायरनमेंट में बड़ी मदद मिलेगी, और दूसरा ये है कि हमारी गुलाम इसाक़ खान इंस्टीट्यूट को सालाना तकरीबन 6 करोड़ रुपए का फ़ायदा होगा, और ये हमारी रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी है, पोल्यूशन फ्री। और स्काई इलेक्ट्रिक के हम मशकूर हैं कि उन्होंने 3 महीने के अंदर ये 1 मेगावाट का प्रोजेक्ट यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल किया है।
This is a 1 megawatt solar power plant here. It's collaboration between GIKI and SkyElectric Private Limited, producing clean energy, and we thank SkyElectric.
It's one of the biggest we have done in a very short time. It will basically boost an energy saving to the GIK. They might increase it in the future, which are basically they're looking into. कि इसको हमने 2 मेगावाट तक और एक्सटेंड करना है, and we are working on that.
Leading university in Pakistan, and I could not be more proud of the team that has done this. And I'm very excited to collaborate with GIKI and other institutions in the country to produce more clean power in record time and with the highest quality.